Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. It will take about 12 seconds, I would say. So keep holding the button. And once you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the rebooting process is complete. And here we have it. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.